What? Stand up. Gucci down to the socks like a biggie popper. Keep your girl here in my Tommy box. But fill it out, she'll fill it out, 'cause you know the freaking
You'll be yelling again.
What's going on with this? I mean, he's been working on this front bumper now for a week.
It was pointed straight to the ground.
Okay.
It wasn't going to work.
Okay.
So I had him redo the mount.
Looks like he made a nice mount for it.
Yeah, he made
okay.
this is all him. Like
Okay.
he welded all this shit. So this is what he's been working on today. It took a long time. I need to be with him.
I mean, he's
gonna
taking
take-
a long
it's gonna
time,
take
but
a long time. He's working as fast as he can.
did the wrap come for this
Yes,
piece
yes.
this year?
This year.
Okay, we gotta get that done. The calipers are done. Skate close, the interior is done. You see the interior? We need at least 10 days because it's a lot of work. So, are you and Angel gonna work on this?
Well, I don't know. You
Okay.
said me and Russ. And
Yeah, but Russ wanted to finish that, so I
So I think you give it to Angel.
help him, bro.
Okay.
Just put the fire on his ass. You know how Angel is. It's like, he's good, but he's a snail. It's like little by little by little. Just you gotta be right next to him and put the pressure. If you need to do something else, leave him and come back. But he needs somebody to put the fire on his ass. Yeah, I need this thing to completely be fitted by end of the week. Okay, so next week we can go into paint and hopefully by end of next week paint it. Fit it completely, okay? So you and Adam gonna work on it. I need it completely fitted and go to paint by end of this week. Okay? The Bentley. So both of you guys get it.
I don't come in on Friday.
Huh?
I don't come in on Friday.
Can you switch it for Monday?
Yeah.
Can you switch it for Monday,
Yeah.
please? So that way when you're off, it's in the paint. But you guys get a bustle, bro. I need some of that hustle and bustle in you, man. You know you put me through hell this week with losing the nicest play. So you owe me, okay?
Come up out of there. Gotta work, gotta work. She gon' twerk, twerk, twerk it till she hurt. Get it work, get it work. Yes sir. Come up out of there. Get it work, get it work. She gon' twerk, work, work, for the work, work, work. I got work, work, work. I got work, work.
We just found out that we are missing all the active, what is it called?
Active valve.
Oh, active arrow, correct. On the rear bumper of this 488 that we've been working on now for about 6 months or so. I guess when the customer bought the car wrecked and he got a good deal on it, so he brought it us to fix the wreck, and then he decided to completely customize the vehicle.
Brake light.
So this is a third brake light. They just cut some pieces of just vinyl, some thing out of a Ford. You see it has a Ford logo on it, and basically put this in here and made it look like it has all the active aero in the rear diffuser. So when we made the parts list, honestly, we kind of forgot that all this stuff was missing. Now it's time to assembly. We've noticed that all the guts, as you see here, is completely gone out of the rear diffuser. So now we're scrambling to try to get this stuff done. Customers wants his car back by the 15th, which we have about a week to get it back to them. The assembly is pretty much done. As you see, there's two parts we're waiting for. One obviously is all the active aero, and one is the tub that goes in here. This car was completely trash. It was basically a total car. We basically did a full front clip. All this stuff is brand new, everything. We had to replace the whole entire cage from the frame rail out. It's been done precision, so it's up to factory spec, Ferrari spec. Now everything fits properly. The car is going to be as good as new, but we're still missing a few parts. One is this active aero and the tub. The tub was coming from Europe and it's delayed, so we're going to go ahead and cancel that order and order one through Ferrari to be able to get this done. This G63 is getting ready to get shipped out to one of our really good client. This was the first collab between Zero Design and Brabus that we did. So the body kit itself is Zero Design, which we are a US distributor for, and we did the hood, grille, and the 50 bill cover and the molding with Brabus. So it's like a baby Brabus Zero Design collab. Turned out really great. We did a full Starlight headliner. We did matching steering wheel and this panel right here, and it's pretty much done. So these are the progress in our shop for today, and we have so many projects waiting outside. As you see, everything's on the cover. All these are new projects that we need to get done. Talk to you guys soon.
Do you know what those pills are?